Alright, this is going to be one of the banks of elevators at the brand new Embassy Suites by Hilton in St. Augustine Beach, Florida. Got some Schindler 3300s. Down to P. Let's head on up to see how high we can go. Guessing the highest we can go is the lobby. We're on the lobby. P. Send this one up. Call another. Three elevators. See which one comes. Love that chime. 2. Three call stations for 3 elevators. This one. I like that chime. Ooh, we can go up to 3. Nice. Guessing they forgot to key card this one, even though the reader's there. Creaky. We're on 3. Very smooth. Squeaks and creaks a lot though. Down to P. Now that's weird. P's locked on this one, but it isn't on the other. You can go down to lobby though. Cab's the exact same as the other one. Going down. Oh, it stopped. Yeah, right, because I only can go down to P on this one. Back up to 3. That door slams. We do one more trip up after this and we're gonna get a view out. Aside from being a little creaky, these are very smooth and quiet. And installed in 2018, I believe. Here's your interlock with the 3. There's your certificate. It expired a year ago. Just out of curiosity, is 2 locked? Yeah, it is, but 3 isn't. Alright. There it goes. Let's look at the hallway. It's a very nice looking hotel. Let's call it back down. See which one's gonna come. I'm gonna assume this one because this one's on 2. Yep, I was right. This one doesn't have an in-car lantern. Alright, we're gonna end on the lobby. From the lobby. We're gonna get off here. There it goes.
Try to make it very time.
Here's your call station with the fire service. And anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.